Assalamu alaikum students. This video lecture is for class 9, subject physics, chapter number 8, and topic is thermal expansion of liquid. Students, we know that in state of liquid, molecules of liquid are always in continuous motion because they have kinetic energy, and at a specific temperature amplitude of vibration of the molecules is also specific. They have specific amplitude of vibration of their molecules. When we increase temperature, heat energy, when we supply heat energy to the liquid, their kinetic energy also increases, due to which amplitude of vibration of the molecules also increases, due to which molecules push each other away from each other, due to which they have to occupy more space, and level of the liquid rises, and we say that there is expansion in the liquid. So reason behind the expansion in the liquid is when we give heat energy to the liquid, their kinetic energy increases, due to which amplitude of vibration of the molecules also increases, and they push each other away from each other, and the level of the liquid increases because they have to occupy more space. Second thing is expansion in solid is less than expansion in liquid, because forces of traction in solid are more and forces of traction in liquid are weaker as compared to solid. If forces of traction are weaker in solid, so if forces of traction are weaker in liquid, molecules of the liquid, they move away from each other easily and they expand easily at a certain temperature. And forces of traction in solid are stronger, and it's not easy for the molecules in the case of solid to move away from each other because forces of attraction are stronger, and we can say that there is less expansion in the case of solid and there is more expansion in the case of liquid. So we can say that coefficient of expansion of solid is less and coefficient of expansion in liquid is more. Thank you.